What's going on with you guys? You already know what time it is. It's time to get into another reaction video. I'm about to be reacting to The Voice 2017 battle Brandon Brown versus John Merrill. I Wish It Will Rain. If you guys would like to check out the original video to this, it will be in the link in the description below. Comment, let me know what y'all think about this. Give me y'all opinion and subscribe to my channel. It's just one push of a button and I post videos every single day to entertain you guys. The grind don't stop. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button if you guys want me to do more reactions of The Voice. Let's get into it.
Sunshine, blue skies, please go away. My girl has found another and gone away. With her went my future. My life is filled with gloom. So day after day, I stay locked up in my room. And I know to you, it might sound strange, but I wish it would rain. Oh, how I wish that it would rain. Oh, 'cause so badly I wanna go outside. Everyone knows that a man ain't supposed to cry this time. I've gotta cry, 'cause crying eases the pain. Now people, this hurt I feel inside, words could not explain. I wish it would rain. Oh, how I wish that it would rain. Oh, let it rain. Oh, how I wish that it would rain. Oh, let it rain. Let it rain. Oh, let it rain. Oh, let it rain. A day in, day out, my tears staring face pressed against my window pane. My eyes search the sky, looking desperately for rain. Cause raindrops behind my teardrops, and no one will ever know that I'm crying, crying. Oh, when I go outside to the world outside my tears, I refuse to explain. Oh, how I wish that it would rain. Oh, let it rain. 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 Oh, let it rain.
Whoa. Wow. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. My opinion, just speaking on my opinion, not nobody else's, but mine. I don't know who is going to get picked because they both can sing. They're both talented. They both have a voice on them. They both has what it takes to win The Voice. But the guy on the left, the song choice fit him perfectly. Then the guy on the right, the song didn't really fit him as it, fit the one on the left. They both can sing. They're both talented. But it's just that the song was not for the guy on the right. The guy with the hat on, the song was not for him. But you could tell that the guy on the right, he's able to hold his notes better than the guy on the left. On top of that, he's able to sing with a more higher pitched voice. He can hold his notes higher than the guy on the left. So I honestly don't know who's going to get picked, but we will see who's going to get picked. I'm about to see who's going to get picked. But you guys let me know who you guys think deserved it the most.
All right, thank you very much, coaches. Adam, you've heard it all. The decision is yours.
Brandon, if I'm thinking about who captured the spirit of the song, you really became that guy singing that song back then. You kind of like were bringing me back to another era. John didn't do that. John did his thing. You basically transformed in the short time we've had from a good singer to an incredibly good singer. That being said, John does have a little more confidence, a little more experience under his belt. And, I said you guys could learn a lot from each other. You did that. And so this ain't easy for me at all because you both deserve to be rewarded for this. John, you sing this whole song and then you get to the end and you're doing these effortless falsetto runs. And that is special. You know, Blake said you were special, and he's absolutely right. This is the worst part of my day.
Tough decision, Adam. Who's the winner of this battle?
I wouldn't be able to live with myself if I didn't explore this further, because there's just way too much that comes to mind when thinking about this guy and what I think we can do. The winner of this battle is John.
John, congratulations. You're moving on to the knockout.